Synology Honest Review. App the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a secure and reliable cloud backup solution, Synology promises seamless integration with Synology devices, but is it worth using? One of the biggest pros is security. Most people get this wrong by assuming cloud storage is risky. Synology uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring your files are safe from unauthorized access. You can back up documents, photos, and system configurations directly from your NAS to the cloud automatically, which is a huge time saver. The app also offers excellent reliability. File versioning lets you restore previous versions of files, and incremental backups save bandwidth while keeping your data current. For example, if a file is accidentally deleted or corrupted, you can retrieve it within minutes without hassle. Another advantage is integration. If you already own a Synology NAS, setup is straightforward. You can schedule backups, monitor storage usage, and manage multiple devices all from the app. This centralization makes it ideal for both home users and small businesses. However, there are cons. The main downside is cost. Synology requires a subscription, and prices can increase as storage needs grow. Some users also note that mobile features are limited compared to desktop management, and large initial backups can take a long time to upload depending on your internet speed. In conclusion, Synology is perfect for users who prioritize security, reliability, and seamless NAS integration. The surprising truth is that while it's incredibly effective for protecting your data, the subscription model might not suit everyone, especially casual users with minimal backup needs. If you want peace of mind and efficient cloud backups for your Synology system, Synology is an excellent choice, but expect to invest a little for long-term security and convenience.